Hey everybody, it's Nick. Today's tutorial is going to talk about how to install VRay Next for Rhino. This is a change from some of the other videos that were up on the YouTube channel. This year, VRay changed from version, I think it was 3.6 last time, to something called VRay Next. VRay is what we're going to be using to do some renderings for the next 2 weeks in R230, and we use it because it's something that's really common to a lot of architectural offices still. It's multi-platform. It works with a variety of other programs like 3D Studio Max and Maya and SketchUp. And even though there's other things out there, and there's always new ones, like there's Twinmotion and like Lumion, this is something that's in pretty common use, and a lot of the principles that apply to other renderers are found in VRay. VRay is only available right now for Rhino for PC. It does not work with Rhino for Mac. So if you have Rhino for Mac, you're going to have to use the lab or work with a partner or make some other kind of arrangement. But that's just one of the limitations. So anyway, VRay Next is available. If you go onto the website for Lab 9, you can see the link here. It says 30-day demo. This year we're going to try something new. We're going to try to use the demo for the labs. When the demo expires, you can go ahead and buy it from this link here. It'll give you some instructions for how to install it. It's pretty similar to how you get the 30-day demo. Of course, it involves money. I think the student license is like $100 per year. It's a reoccurring thing. It's not like other programs where you just buy it and you get to keep it. It's a subscription. So just pay attention to that. But it's pretty good, and VRay is getting easier and easier to use. And so with this video, I actually have to record a new video because the video that I had previously, some of the features are basically easier, so that's nice. So anyway, the first thing though, we're going to go ahead and install it. So we're going to go to the download link, and you're going to go to Chaos Group, and from here just go to Download Trial. Now, I've already got an account and everything with Chaos Group. That's the name of the company. If you don't have one, which is probably all of you, you have to go to Create Account, put in your information. You should get an email and then confirm it. And then once you're there, go ahead and log in. I've got different accounts for things, so I'm gonna log myself in. Now this is what mine says. I've already actually downloaded it before, so just go to the download section if you don't get the right screen. Go into downloads. You're looking for VRay Next. Okay, that's the one that's released pretty recently here. The other ones are for older versions, and they're not going to look the same as the one that I am going to be using from here on out. So go ahead and download that file, and then once you've got it, I put it on my desktop here. I'm just going to open it up here, and so let's go through the install process. It's pretty easy, except at one point you will have to actually put in your username and password, so pay attention to that. You've got to have Rhino 6. You've got to have Rhino 6 updated, but that shouldn't be a problem for any of you guys. I think it's version 6.17. Okay, so we're going to say I agree. And go to Rhino 6, 6.17. Just leave all this stuff, basically. It's going to install the files. It's going to run some scripts here in the background, too, so just know that means it's working. If you have any problems, it'll probably show up here, so... Okay, let's see. Let's just wait. Oh, okay. Now we're going to go to the license server. I'm going to say I agree. All that's fine. Mine says it's already activated. I think it probably used my old password. Yeah, it might. Yeah. Okay, so if it asks you for a username and password, go ahead and put in the same username and password that you used to get into the Chaos Group page. Okay, that's the important part. Okay, finish. Now you got to install the VRay Swarm. Go ahead and install it anyway. We probably won't need it for any. That's for like cloud rendering or like distributed rendering. Okay, so if all that's working, you got your password in, everything registered okay. To be clear, you have to be on the internet for this to work. You have to be logged in on the wireless. Let's see here. VRay, no, finish. Okay, everything's installed. Going to Rhino, and you'll know that it works because as soon as Rhino like starts up, it'll Yeah, that's fine. That's the last time. It'll say preparing plugins, and it'll say loading VRay for Rhino. If that does not come up, you've got a problem with your installation, and you should talk to one of us, and we'll help you. We'll help you figure it out. But if you get to that point, you've got VRay installed, and you're ready to work on the lab.